Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. In this particular lesson, we shall be looking at how we use significant figures in multiplication and division. So, when carrying out a multiplication or a division, the result should be reported to the same number of significant figures as that of the number with the minimum number of significant figures. When carrying out a multiplication or a division, the results should be reported to the same number of significant figures as that of the number with the minimum number of significant figures. Let us see what this statement means. For instance, we are told to work out each of the following. We have 0.4 times 0.15. 0.4 has one significant figure, which is a 4, and 0.15 has 2. But since we are multiplying this one of one significant figure and this one of 2, the law says that we should consider our answer should be written to this number with the least number of significant figures. So, meaning that our answer should be written to one significant figure. We always consider the least number of significant figures in the numbers you are multiplying or dividing. So, since the least number here is 1, our answer will be to 1, and therefore we shall get 0.06. If there are others, we round off to 1 significant figure. In part B, we are having 0.125, which are 3 significant figures, times 0.2, which is a 1 significant figure. So meaning that our answer should be written to 1 significant figure. And therefore, when you multiply, you get 0.025, but we shall round off to 0.03 to maintain the 1 significant figure, such as the 0.2. Hope we are together on that. When multiplying or dividing, our answer should be written to the number of significant figures as that number with the least number of significant figures. So this number that has the least has 1. Therefore, our answer should also have 1 significant figure. That is done in multiplication and division. Let us look at more examples. In example C, we have 85.25, which are 4 significant figures, being divided by 21.5. These are 3 significant figures, meaning that our answer should be written to 3 significant figures, because if you compare 4 and 3, 3 is the least number of significant figures. And therefore, our answer, if we multiply before rounding off, it is 3.965. But since we want it to 3 significant figures, when we round off this, it will give us, actually this is not the answer, it should give us 3.97 as our answer. This is to 3 significant figures. That is how we deal with division. Then we have cases that have both division and multiplication. For the upper part, we shall consider multiplication. These are 3 significant figures. These are 2. So mean that our upper part should give us 2 significant figures, divided by the lower part, which is also having 2 significant figures. So it is 2 significant figures divided by 2 significant figures. our answer should also be to 2 significant figures, because the number of significant figures here are equal, so we maintain them. That's why we have 1.5. So that is how we apply significant figures in division and multiplication. Our next lesson will be on how we use decimal places in addition and subtraction. Otherwise, you are going to try out these simple questions and evaluate yourself to check whether you have achieved the learning outcome of today's lesson, and you know how to apply the role of significant figures during multiplication and division. Those are simple numbers that you are going to try out, and if you don't mind, please, you can share your solutions with us so that we enjoy learning together as we simplify and make learning fun. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. I hope to have you for the next lesson. Bye-bye.